Hello, friends. Once again, it's a pleasure to have you all around for another session of our webinars, the third in the series. And this one is once again going to be a very exciting one because it is on artificial intelligence, on automation, on estimation, and then a whole lot of things that our speaker, Mr. Patidar, will put in his words, knowledge, and experience across to you. Let me invite Mr. Manoj Mehta, the chairman of the webinar, to kindly give his keynote address, please.
Yeah. Friends, welcome to this pivotal masterclass on automation in printing and AI in print estimation and cost optimization. Today's session is not just about technology, it's about transformation. It's about reimagining the future of print, where machines think, systems optimize, and the business scale intelligently. Friends, the printing industry is a turning point. You all agree with me. Our industry, built on craft, precision, and experience, is now entering a new era driven by data, automation, artificial intelligence, etc. Traditionally, a print estimation was a part skill, part guesswork, costing was reactive. Margins were volatile, but now with AI and automation, we can shift from reactive to predictive, from intuitive to data driven. The future of print is not man versus machine, it is a man with machine, friends. Automation is the engine, AI is the navigator, and you and we, the printer, are still the driver. Let's not fear this shift. Let's lead it. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's make Indian printers smarter, faster, and globally unbeatable. Friends, today we have an excellent speaker. I am also going to take home something from him. So let's be ready, fasten your seatbelt, and get ready to listen, Mr. Patida. I'm awaiting since last 1.5 months. So over to Mr. Jacob. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Manoj. Just for the sake of all the audience, there is an option for you to put in your questions in the chat or in the Q&A, and we will put across the questions to Mr. Patidar once he finishes his. In case there is anything else, you can always chat with me while the presentation is on. Mr. Patidar, welcome aboard. Please go ahead with your presentation, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jacob sir and Manoj sir. And I am blessed with this community because the printing is my passion and serving is my mission. So the game is big today in the AI era, and I'm continuously working in AI from last 2 decades actually. When I started my study in computer science, it was the AI where I started my journey. So now I will start what is AI, how it is helping in printing, and how cost estimation can be done very fast with the AI tools and how it works. So my focus corely is how it works. I'm damn sure that I'm audible. Yes, just one yes I need. Then I'm going to present.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, so I'm going to present the screen and going to start this now. So I think you can see the screen why AI is in print.
Yes,
Right.
can.
Great. Thank you, Jacob sir. Thank you so much, and thank you the community to be ready for this amazing session. So there are two questions is there in that post we created. Why AI is in print industry? That is empowering AI in print industry to scale forex. And the second is what is the automation or things we can do? Why automation in print? That can be the part of AI today because everywhere we are listening about the AI and some fears we have in the mindset. What are the fears? So the biggest fear I want to start with this that earlier the computer will replace the people. I was the person in 11, 12. I participated in the debate against the computers. So most important thing is I was in opposite computers on that team. I am participating in debate against the computers. The computers will make people. We can say that what the people will do. सब लोग बेरोजगार हो जाएंगे. The computers will replace people. But Today, when I started my computer science studies, I realized that computer is going to help us in big manner. Why? Because if the computers and softwares will not be there in the place, we will be in queue of banking, railway ticket, everywhere. So the big shift done in the industrial 4.0, it is computers, and computers and software change drastically the industries, market, everything. Today, I am pioneer in the AI and computers, even though I was opposite that in my study time, because sometimes we understand wrong. I presumed wrong, I predicted wrong. Today, lot of people are fearful about the AI. Will AI replace us or AI will replace us? No. How AI will help us, we'll discuss about this, but AI will not going to replace you very soon, because we need to understand how to use AI for tools, how to use AI in our daily life to be more productive, to make our teams more productive about it. Sometimes we confuse about this that AI is doing everything. No, AI can do everything, but we need to be very sharp in prompts. How can we do? We will understand. So I wrote a quote: AI won't replace printers in the even long future also. AI is not going to replace printers, but the printers using AI will replace those who don't. So friends, it's a game where we have to participate in this game of AI, where if we are the friends with AI, we are good friendship with AI, or we are going to use AI in the right manner, we will dominate the market. Our country, our industry will dominate the market. We will grow very fast. We'll get results, profit, business, everything. And how it will help, I'm just going to show in this presentation, and we are going to see some glimpse about it. So, is this masterclass for whom? Growth hungry printers who want to scale their business 4x. Because taking knowledge is very easy. YouTube is full with the knowledge. Lot of people are providing knowledge in the industry, but the game is implementation. Whenever it is AI or it is automation or it is a technology, if the implementation is not there, we are not going to win the game. So first we are going to understand how we can implement these things. So this is a special masterclass for who are the people they want, they just want to scale their factories, their business for export. So the part of this session will be four. First, why AI is needed, the challenges of the industry we will understand, how AI can help in this, the implementation part. Then third, what AI tools or tool we can use, and the action plan. I always tell that implementation is the key to get success. And here we are at the end of this session going to take some action plan from here. Just use that, implement that, and start AI with yours. A lot of friends, my friends, and even though some of us, we are going to use or we are using the chat gpt, Gemini, a lot of AI tools, but today we will find some action plans to utilize it more. Now be curious about the AI bot. I will introduce Indus AI bot, how it works. I will decode this. No one is going to decode the architecture and technology, but for the industry sec only, we created an AI bot that can do cost estimation in seconds, and I am going to decode how it works. So it's very curious. Be very curious. Be ready how it works. We will understand this and how the technology is working with secure data. Right. Another special gift is from my side. As you know that always I be happy as serving to the community, because print industry given me lot, unbelievable, and it's my turn to return back it to align the new generations, to gift it again with the new generation. So there's a special gift, we can do it during the session. Be curious, the gift will be come or appear anytime. So the part one we are going to start, it is why AI is needed today and challenges that we can solve easily with the AI. So we are going to understand with this code, because printing industry is full of routine decisions. lot of time I observed in print industry, lot of friends are there in printing, so they are busy with approving the sheets, artworks, some decision making. Because as a business owner, definitely whenever I go to this office, I need to do a lot of decisions to make right decisions. Some process I need to start, some repeated tasks we are doing again and again. My team is doing repeated tasks. In printing industry, a lot of people are doing that. And there's a big human dependencies there for some intellectual tasks also. So lot of places are there where I can make them faster, make them smarter, and we can scale these capabilities. How we will going to understand. But first, let's understand what are the core challenges we are facing today in the industry. I studied it very well. 70% and more than 70% quotations are delayed today still in our industry because lot of people are doing manual work, diary work. It's not wrong at all. I'm not challenging it, but it's a new word. We have to be very aggressive. Some people are using Excel, some people are using software ERP, and they have the team also as well. But the response time is very slow. Where we are using the technologies, we are quoting fast. But the second thing is, even though we are providing quotations from the diary, calculating in the diary, we are not managing well the quotations. We are not taking follow-ups. We are not asking customer again, boss, वो quotation दिया था क्या हुआ? What happened with that quotation? We are not taking the quotations follow-ups. We are not checking the conversion ratios. We are not doing aggressive sales and marketing behind it because of only we are stuck in the operations. And this is a very small task managing the quotation. That's why the 70% quotations are delayed from our side. And whenever who is going to crack the quotation fast, he is going to get the job. The second biggest challenge is 40% and less productivity. I calculated a lot at a different presses. Yesterday, I was also in a press. I checked the plant capacity is huge and they are utilizing only 30 to 40%. Why? Because the team is not skilled up yet with the new advancements, new technologies, or the processes are not well defined, automation is not happened yet. And we are discussing on the automation actually. We are going to start the automation, then we can increase the productivity and efficiency. But it is a big gap in ours. You just check in your side also. Just check what is my plant capacity, how can I utilize it without investing in machines first. Then try to fulfill it with the automations or technologies. We can discuss about this. Uncontrolled wastage and rejections are there. You know very well. 85% of printers having inventory losses today even still. Why? Because of there is a mismanagement in automations. Then the biggest challenge is 60% audits are failed, more than 60%. 2, 3, 4 attempts we can get, then we got some approvals or audit passed. Why? Because of again the processes are wrong or no automation in the processes. So we are discussing about the automation in processes and the challenges we can solve with the automation or the framework for that process improvements. And then AI, how AI can help on this. Then 67% of jobs are delayed due to non-scheduling. Here is the game of AI we can utilize. We will understand how AI can help on this part. Then another part is person dependent company. Somewhere we are dependent on some people, somewhere dependent on some processes, but there is no system dependence. So if we go with the system dependence, you and the team will be free to do some better work, some better business progress. And my favorite point is job wise profit and cost calculation. This is my favorite. Why? Because we are doing business for only single agenda, that is profitability. If we are not earning profits, we are doing wrong something. We are not doing business or justice with the business. So the game is calculating profit and loss job wise is a mandatory thing today to get succeed or get the growth fast. Then poor decision making and lack of MIS is still there in our industry. 80 to 85% printers are not using right MIS. What I need to see, why I need to see, what reports we should see daily, weekly basis. I don't know. And that result is again the industry growth is very slow. The next generation is not interested to join. I discussed lot of young kids from the printing houses or printing presses. They told me, boss, परम जी मजा नहीं आता ना, पापा 10 बजे जाते हैं, रात को 11 बजे आते हैं. He is joining office by 9 or 9 or 10 a.m. and returning back 11 p.m. I don't want to spoil my life in this process only. My father earned a lot. I want to just do the good job, good earning, good profits, and want to be happy life. So these are the challenges. Other than lot of 56 type of challenges are there in our industry, but we are not focusing on this. So we are just moving ahead. So are we growing? Is this right? Sometimes people, I met a friend 3-4 days ago. He is just telling me, boss, printing industry तो मर रहा है, तो printing industry के लिए ERP क्यों बना के बैठा है? It is going to die. ना भाई किधर? Where it is going to die? अरे सब digital हो गया है. Everything is digital now, and you don't understand. You are still working in printing. मैंने भाई तुझे नहीं पता है शायद इसलिए you are seeing only digital. But the game again restarted from the Denmark. We studied the case study of Denmark, US, UK. That people starting reading the books again. Why? Because of there is some big challenges with the digital. We can say the digitization. Some good things are there and some bad things are there with the books. So still our industry is growing very fast, and it will grow more because packaging is there. So our industry is growing and will sure grow. The growth is, we know very well that CAGR reported this growth 8% to 17% various segments. Offset, web offset, even corrugation, packaging, narrow flexo. Narrow flexo is going 15 to 17% even, very fast. So combined growth of all segment is very fast. We are growing very good pace, and we are going to enjoy this growth if we are aligned with the automation. So the core focus we need to check, it is we need to stop our losses. We need to stop that old work culture we built and need to adopt the automation to earn more growth and profits. So let's stop it. Let's think the solution. It is implementing 100% print process automation. So I'm just introducing a small framework, and then we'll go to the AI content part. That is very curious, very interesting for you. Today we are going to learn how it works for printing industry. So I started educating the print process automation framework, where the core agenda of this is productivity, efficiency, profitability, and scalability. These are the 4 elements for our presses or our businesses where we want to adopt the things or processes. Right, means the productivity we need, the efficiency we need, and we want profitability, we want scalability. These the 4 elements are there, we need to implement or we need to get it from the print process automation. This is our core agenda. So what AI brings to us? If we implement AI, or if we go with AI, or if we want to use AI, so AI can bring speed, accuracy, predictability, freedom from the dependency. This is the core agenda. Sometimes people ask me, boss, ये ChatGPT तो अभी आया है, पहले क्या था? So I always told or tell them that it's a game. AI started 100+ years ago. It's not today's technology. It's very old. There are some machines, some algorithms are there. You heard about the chess that is Deep Blue, and that was played along with the Gary Kasparov, and Deep Blue won. Why? Because it is AI based. So there are some types of AI. Now, I am not telling that 3-4 types, because it is continuously evolving. So don't go there. You just understand there are some types of AI is there. One is the standard AI, where we fix up some algorithms, and it is hard-coded programmed AI, and it is very accurate, very powerful, and very specific domain. Like if the rocket, if the missile, if satellite is working, it is working with the AI. That is standard hard-coded programmed AI, where the all commands and sets are decision based on that decisions taken by the machine, where we are using this AI from last 50 years. Because we know very well that US or NASA used a lot of satellites, they are making a lot of computers, all are working with that standard AI. And from last 20 years, I am using that AI in my cost estimation, planning, scheduling, lot of places. Now, the modern era came with the generative AI, where we are getting very fearful environment that generative AI will replace us. No, generative AI is not going to replace us because generative AI is working on some set of rules, and it's just a language creator, we can say. It's just creating some good content, we can say, but it's not super creative like a human today. So as a human, we need to provide the right prompts to him. Now the AI is more powerful, the engines are more powerful, but the core purpose is to help us. Like if I want to create a video, I can create a video with the right prompt, but the thinking should be start from myself, that I need a flying bird in this part, this is blah blah blah. When I put a right prompt in AI tool can generate the task. So what AI is doing for us? He is doing the laborious and repetitive work for us very fast in seconds. Content writing is also there. Definitely, some people fight with it, or some people are not using it. They are getting joblessness. Why? Because of they are not using AI for their betterment, for their skill set. I increased my productivity or efficiency by 30% only using sort of AI tools in daily life. So AI is not going to replace me. AI is making me more smart. This is the image created by AI you are seeing here. So that's a creation. So lot of things you heard about me. I quickly introduce me, and I am a profitable business coach. I created a PPY framework working in IT and printing from last 21 years, served 320 brands, and lot of things I created in Print Pathshala, and we are teaching for that new generations. And I invented the Print ERP. More than 500 sessions I did. I am advisory member at Print World Hub also. So let's understand how to use AI in daily life first, and then we are going to understand the code of it. Because now here we are going deep dive here. So common things we can do in AI, and you can ask me anytime for this, because we have the very short time here. So we are going to just touch the things here. Like design and artwork automation can be done very well with AI today, and our industry is using very positively today. Lot of presses I seen where they are using a very good license tools to creating some designs, artwork automations, right? Then instant job posting quotation, I am going to show you how it works, that engine. So it is an interesting thing where you can get the quotation in 20 to 30 seconds from the AI. What quotation you are going to do from 30 to 50 minutes by manual processes. Smart job schedules and plannings that AI can do very well. This is a big thing in printing industry where we can use AI. Inventory forecasting and control also can be done in future with the AI, and we are working on it. Then real-time quality monitoring is the part. Business analytics and profit insights. This is the beauty of AI, where we can get a beautiful report from the AI or the business analytical tools. They are AI based. The most beautiful, powerful thing is a chatbot for customer support. See, if there is a person in our team, my team, is doing customer support, he may got frustrated, he may have biased nature, he may tired, but AI bots are not getting biased, they are not tired, they are working continuously very fast. Lot of our friends visited China. If you visited some hotels or some factories in China, you can see the robots. These robots actually working 24 hours. They just go to the charging station and come again and start work. So they are helping on this front. They are not biased. They are just doing their work. So chatbots for customer support are the future for us. Then snapper marketing and follow-up automations. Here, it is an immediate action for us where we can use some AI techniques, technologies for the target marketing and follow-up automations. Like if I provided a quotation, the AI should take a follow-up from the customer as a CRM. That sir, वो quotation भेजा था उसका क्या हुआ? Then taking the next follow-up, sir, should I revise this? Whatever, blah blah. Where the generative AI can help us very well. And the team efficiency and productivity tracking is also the next part for AI we can do in printing industry. Other than this, the first session with master classes is also about AI, and you've seen some working there also. So a lot of areas where we can use the AI. Now, let's understand the cost estimation, how AI can help on this part. So benefit of AI costing tools, we are going to understand that boost our profitability. Why? Because accurate costing will be there. It's not productive. It's calculated accurately. Price accuracy is there, accurate pricing. Reduce wastage, we can calculate the proper wastages through the programming and AI. Where we manually we made mistakes, sometimes we took decision on gut feeling. Informed decision is the powerful part of the AI cost estimation, where the for 5,000 quantity we need this plan, and for 50,000 quantity we need this plan. So this decision can be done by the AI very fast. Faster turnaround time for the cost estimation. Then smart resource allocation is there, like for which machine which job suits better. Sometimes AI can help on this part, on size based, on quality, but lot of things are there. Then second benefit we can say improved operational efficiency. Here AI can help in cost estimation again. Automated process where the AI can define a program structure of cost estimation and do some process alignment very well, where we forget sometimes manual costings. Minimize errors is there. Quick quotations are there with 30 to 50 seconds we can do the cost estimation. Streamlined workflow. Workflow will be streamlined very well, and time saving, because if I have a bot, I will going to show you something special. So if I have a bot in my mobile or in my WhatsApp, then I can give quotation from anywhere while I'm doing the meeting or while I'm doing driving, lot of things. I can do it. Enhanced customer trust is there, transparent price is there. If we are two people in my sales team, I am providing the price and my colleague is also providing the quotation to the same customer. We can track it very well, and we can be a very transparent pricing for the same customer, because the price will be unique. Consistent deliveries are there. Then professional image will be there, because we are providing a techno-savvy company. Long-term relationship will be there, because you are carrying your customers with the right pricing, right process, and faster deliveries. Higher reference will be there. Scalability and growth is important in AI. Support expansions, efficient scaling we can do, because we have the proper data analytics, everything. We can do seamless integration with the technologies, and we will be future ready with the AI cost estimation tool if you want to do with the scalable growth. Last one is data-driven decision making. You can see some graphs, some things in the screen also, where we can get actionable insight from the AI. Like if I'm getting why my quotations are getting rejected, if I fill that data, system will give me the analytics that due to higher price, your quotations are rejecting by 22%. So I can make right decisions. What I have to do. Cost saving opportunities I can get calculated. And forecasting we can do for the paper, some materials if we need. Performance tracking is there, risk management is there. So lot of benefits for the data-driven decision making I can get from the AI dashboards. The result will be, if we are going to adopt AI very well and automation, print process automation in our processes, the productivity can be increased by 45%. I did lot of process. We can get that case studies also. We can reduce wastages by 25%, and 30% profitability we increase somewhere 20, 15, 10%, 20%. Actually, our profits are hidden in wastage, better planning, and somewhere else in right processes. So we can increase the profitability and scalability. So let's ask a big question. Can I do all three types of cost estimation? So how? So all three types means there are three types of cost estimation in our industry. And even though 85% people are doing only one type of cost estimation, what are these? We can understand this. So let's understand three types of cost estimation first in our industry, then see the capabilities. So there is a traditional method, process based, where we are calculating pricing on per thousand color impressions, per 100 square inch, rate per color per thousand impressions, like that. So in this process, someone calculated on his infrastructure, these price structure, rest of market is following only. They are not checking that is he getting 35 paisa per 100 square inch lamination or not. But because the market is doing, we are also doing it. Okay, I am aligned with it. Let's focus on productivity then. If we are not fighting for the price, we are not going to deep in the price. But no, it's not there again. So there is a traditional cost method, and it is older system. It is very fast. Even though old people can do quickly in mental process, mental calculation, and very fast in diaries, but it is less accurate. Even I challenge today because we are taking vestige on gut feeling. Sometimes, sometimes we are just imagining that इसका है ना 1200 पकड़ ले took 1200 for this only. Like that, we are thinking just on gut feeling, but it's not 100% accurate. The second method, it is more better. It is hybrid process plus material. Lot of people are calculating the lamination, film, wire, and other processes with the material and paper. Always they are calculating. This is better than traditional method, more deeper because we can control the material. Helpful to analyze the material cost, but still it is slow. Definitely slow because it takes time to calculate the material, put the formulas in this part. Here we need Excel sheets at least. And third is more modern, process, material, and time based, where we need to calculate the process, the material, and the time. I need to calculate the traditional based method for lamination, then what lamination film I am going to use it, and what time lamination film machine is going to take to calculate to produce this job. So then I can get a real costing, better costing, sustainable business, more transparent price, and more profitable pricing. Because here I can get the idea that boss, this job is not going to suit me, so I'm not going to do or take this job. So this is a part of three types of cost estimation. Now, if I am telling this is the best in modern process and modern cost estimation type, what happened? We can't do that because either we need a good Excel sheet, Google Sheets, or some good software, or AI is there. So what I did in Indus, we created a bot that can do all three in months. Even though we created a software for this, and actually any bot works behind the scene is a software. It's a complex algorithm is there. I will decode it how it is working, but the game is first we understand three types of cost estimation and we are planning on. So another big question is there, can AI do for all? Yes. How? So I am coming to the implementation, how I implementing, how I implemented, and how I going to give to the industry. Then if you want to build your own, you can create it, you can enjoy this, you can make a better system than this. So let's understand. I'm just showing a screen of a Indus AI bot. If you can see the screen, there is some chat in this chat. So it works on WhatsApp and native app. Both are there. Just I'm introducing it and how it works, then I'm decoding it. No one is going to decode the core technology, but I'm going to decode it today. Only the sake of industry, we want growth. Linked with the Indusprint ERP, AI engine and backend, that AI engine I already created a hardcore AI engine that is working like rocket. It's programmed. Then auto calculated best cost plan, best job it is calculating, like what is the best plan for my job on which machine. based on quantity, colors, everything is a system calculated. Then compare papers, machine costs everywhere, multiple costing plans. You've seen a lot of software like this. Instant quote in seconds, it is doing that. Fast error-free quotations are there. Beautiful thing, if we are planning to hire an estimator, you don't need to hire an estimator today. You just hire this bot. He will do the work of estimator, even though day night 24 hours, even though it will take the follow from the customer also after doing and sending quotation. Boss, 2 घंटे बाद फोन करके पूछना है. So as I trained that AI bot will take the follow from the customer. Dear Rajesh sir, I shared a cost estimation, I shared a quotation number, blah, blah, with you. So can you respond on this? Whatever the message we want to train, the bot can do as a CRM, physical CRM. And sometimes it can respond better, but the beautiful thing is we can see what chatbot is talking to the customer. So we can track anytime. If you have the estimator, it will be a game changer tool for him, because now the estimator can do very fast, very quick, very better cost estimations with the tool. And even though he can get more efficient from his work, you can get more jobs from the market. It boosts the sales according to this and profits also. So how it works, let's understand this. So there is a bot and there is a Indus AI engine. So when I inquired to the engine, it respond result standard. Both simple sir. No. There is something inside the AI engine that we created. I just want to show you. So the bot is here. Now there is a decoding of Indus AI engine. There is a Indus communication API. Now here I am going to very technical today, because I just want to open things front of you, so you can understand AI. So we can leave the fears and make friendship with AI to grow faster. That is core agenda for this. So let's understand. So there is a Indus communication API. There is a generative AI model. Generative AI model is like ChatGPT's API, Gemini's API. Lot of AI models are there. We are training ourselves. Lot of training modules are available already. So we are using a standard train model, generative AI train model. Then there is a Indus planning and cost estimation AI engine that I programmed in AI base earlier, and it is refined well with the new AI algorithms also. But this engine is sharp engine. It's not generative. It's a very advanced standard AI engine. So it's work like a rocket engine, because there is a hard-coded programming. So there is no predictions. The sharp answer will be there. Now there is your database and configurations are there. So when we start this app, database will be yours, price will be yours, configuration will be yours, and your data is very securely managed in the database, not in the engine. So how it works, when we put an inquiry in the chatbot goes to the Indus communication API. API will send this inquiry to the AI model, generative AI model, to validate the inquiry and the parameters. Like I asked, calculate the reverse tuck-in, size is this. You've seen in the BMPS session also that Manu Chaudhary is doing this. So this is the mechanism. So this AI, this API is sending this message to the generative AI model. The generative model is validating and refining it. After refining the results, it will sending refined query to the AI API engine, and if it needs something more else, it will ask again to the customer on board. If it is not there, it will send this refined query to the AI Indus planning and cost estimation engine. Here, the Indus planning cost estimation engine will work, calculate everything on basis of your data. So it goes directly to your database, get the right data, right set of data according to the customer, price, everything, calculate in the Indus engine and return result to the Indus communication API. And this results provide to the customer directly. So now the game is here. If you can see my cursor, the generative model we are using only for refining the query. No data is shared to the generative model. I just asked for basic parameters to refine it. Like I want the costing of a reverse check-in carton, that height will be 140, width will be 30, length will be 60, then packing flap is this, pasting flap is 15, then I need on duplex gray board 300 GSM, I need lamination, and I need printing by default, 4 color front, back color 0, and then I need punching, pasting, that's all. Give me the costing of this. So this inquiry comes to the generative model. Generative model will check it, is it right inquiry or not. Here it is trained for the inquiry only. After checking it, send refined query to the engine. If query is not refined, some parameter is missing, it will ask again parameter. But here it is not asking about the customer name, falana, nothing. After doing this, the API will close the connection with the generative AI. It will send to the Indus engine like the interface we are doing earlier, because in interface also we are doing the same. In interface, we communicate with the API, API communicate with the Indus AI engine, it works with your data. Same architecture will be used in the software also, in ERP also. So here only we are using generative AI model. जिससे हमको डर लग रहा है, तो डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's nothing to be afraid, because it's not using our data. It's just refining the text, the query in the right structure, then sending to the engine, and engine will responding to the directly to customer or the bot or us, right? So interesting. I think this is enough to decode this, because we have the short of time. Now let's come to the action points. What we need to do today to start the game of AI in our press, because it's more important to implement something rather than listening, getting a lot of knowledge, because knowledge is always available in YouTube. So why automation in print? Let me start with a small story. So you can see in the photo, there are two people in the front of temple. They are selling some that flowers in front of the temple. And now in this case, what happened? They came 9 a.m. They sell flowers to the customers and goes to the home. The wise person came to the person one. From he is daily bringing some lot of flowers. He asked him, "Why you are not buying the bicycle? Buy a bicycle, so you can get more flowers. You can reach earlier here by 8 a.m. and sell more flowers." He got the idea. He bought a bicycle, a small technology, and he increased his sales by reaching earlier and getting more flowers from the pond. Now, the second person think, if I bought a bicycle, then the competition will be same. He arranged some money. He bought a old motorbike. People laughed on him. Why you are buying the that bike? You can buy a bicycle also. He told, "Boss, I want to be more faster earlier to the temple with more flowers." And he started it. Now he is reaching temple at 7 a.m. selling more flowers. After 9 p.m. he started another business with the bike. Now the technology adaptation is very important with the right time. If we are just waiting for the technology, nothing will going to happen. We need to implement it. So the best benefits of automation in the processes and with the AI are just I'm sharing some figures like productivity, efficiency, profitability. We can increase more than 20% lead conversion with AI cost estimation, responding on time and follow-up. 100% cost calculations we can get, 30% more operational cost we can reduce, 10 to 25, 22% more profits we can gain. reduce wastage up to 20%, improve tech turnaround time by 37%. These are the results we produced with lot of process in during our implementations, and 65% time on repetitive tasks with our office staff doing. Even though using the ChatGPT, we can reduce some repetitive task times. We can approve invoices also with the ChatGPT. Lot of AI tools are there. Effective inventory management can be implemented and 100% data security will be there. So now let's implement 100% print process automation for your growth. We are going to discuss 4 key steps. You can take a screenshot, you can ask me later about it, but I am going to share some action points today so you can take or you can start it from today itself. Why we are waiting for the next days or tomorrow? So the first one action point is find right tool. We need to identify right tool for our process, right software, right ERP, right AI tool, whatever we need that should do modern cost estimation, process, material, time. 3 capabilities must be there because we need to compete in today's market. We need to be modernized. The part we need to qualify this tool with 3 type of cost estimation capabilities in seconds. Then must enabled with AI today. If the technology is old, don't buy it. Do with Google Sheets. Even I will help personally with you. I don't want to sell anything, and we will not sell something to you. We will just help from Print Pathshala to make a right Google Sheet event to do the cost estimation, but don't buy old systems because it will be dangerous to upgrade in future. Go with AI, utilize AI, compete with the modern market. It should give the multiple cost suggestions according to your customers, multiple papers. Lot of things must be there. It must be upgradable and be best. If it is not there, it's your right to ask your IT partner, boss, I need a technology detail. What technology you are using? Lot of time people don't know what is the right technology for building ERP. Some website technology is used for the ERP. Websites are websites. They are not ERP development technologies. Website cannot manage the bulk data after some time. It's not upgradable. The data security is very important and integration possibilities are the future because no single tool can help you. You need to integrate definitely some more tools, technologies in future. And all you can see Zoho, lot of technologies are there. All are coming with the integration capabilities. So think like that and manage rate privacy with you. The second is change the word vendor to partner. It's my humble suggestion, all my friends, to my friends, please don't say your paper supplier a vendor. He is your growth partner. He is investing his money, right? He is investing something with you. He is giving credit limits. He is a partner. He is a growth partner. Like find a tech partner. Don't find a vendor. If someone is telling himself a vendor, don't do the business with him. Because technology is very critical. Even though we invest technology, but the technology is very critical. It's very fragile, continuously changing. So you need a right partner. Find a right partner who must have expertise in print and IT. Some good experience. If he have only print experience, it will not work for you. If he have only the IT experience, this will not work for you. We need a hybrid partners. Then must have sufficient team to give support, upgrade and updates on the systems regularly. 2-3 people can make ERP for sort of time as make a small software, but they can't support long time. And buying a ERP or buying a automation system, it's like a marriage, changing the whole environment, all processes, whole work culture in your system. It's not like tele that you just implement and get the result. If the owner mindset is not there, the partner mindset is not there, it's very difficult because marriage, after marriage, the girl comes to the sasural, we can say, And what happened? She need to adopt, and that all family need to adopt according to that girl also. So it's like that. It's a partnership, well established with trust. It is must and mandatory part. Capable to handhold 100%. Must work with you as a partner instead of vendor. I already told it. Don't do that. That it is a partner. Don't do that. It must be a partner, not vendor. Then you need to find a right coach. Today, I am blessed that I have lot of coaches in industry with me. They are coaching me. Manoj Mehta sir is there. Lovely Selva Kumar sir is there. Lot of people taught me. Good Guru Satish sir is also helping me as a right friend, a coach. Parmeshwar ye kar, wo kar. Why? Because of we need some parents, some coaches. Good Tushar sir is there. He always helped me. And even though as a coach, I am helping lot of printers. So it's a journey. So you need to find a right coach who can guide you to choose a right tools. Even you can ask me also, Parmeshwar, what right tool suits for me. I can guide openly. What have who have the capacity to understand market trends? The coach must understand the today's market trend. He can help on that part. Who can handle to develop a right system and team? He should be able to train your teams. So there is a distinction between the consultant and the coach. कंसल्टेंट किसी भी जगह से आएगा, वो ज्ञान देगा, चले जाएगा, implement करो नहीं करो, it's up to you. He will give you the knowledge. Consultant, he will guide you, but he will not handhold, he will not putting stick on you, डंडा लेके नहीं घूमेगा to implement it. Coach will be the strict person who will focus on only implementation with you and your team, who can help you to ahead in the market. He can guide about the market strategies. And the most important, everywhere I'm telling, skill team is required today. Even though we need AI, but to run that AI also we need a skill team. So it's time to upgrade. It's time to upskill our teams. So we need to upskill our team to use technologies. There are a lot of trainings we are doing in Print Pathshala also. Private provide regular trainings to them to about the current systems, upgradations, focus on productivity efficiency with them, and the most important thing, hiring new people also. If we have the old people, we need to upskill them, hire new people, then create a training environment in the premises. In Print Pathshala, we started some courses. You can align with my team, they can help on this part. Some colleges are doing that. AIFMP is doing big task for these trainings. Some associations are doing that. So we need to get associated with them. Now, let's recap. We are going to complete the part with some gifts that I told already you. So we discussed about why AI and challenges, how, yani what implementation we need to do, what AI tool can be there, and I shown a tool to you. There is a short of time. I planned a demo of that AI tool, but I will do a next class especially for 10 to after 10 or 15 days. Whenever that our team will plan, we can. I request to Jacob sir, Satish sir, and Manoj bhai also that we can plan a special session for the interested people who want to see the live AI bot working again on Zoom or in Zoho webinars, because we are running with the short with the time. So that tool we can see the live, and I will gift some tools to them also, and the action plan we discussed for the partnership. So did you gain some any meaningful insights? If yes, you can put in the chat box also. You can put some questions in the chat box. If you want to implement these action points, put yes. Now we have two choices to get this. Either you can implement yourself, I given the plan, do it, or even though you can ask us, we can do together, we will sit, we will plan something automation in your systems, and we do that. Because in the age of automation, printers who master AI won't just survive, they will dominate the market. Believe me, friends, in the age of automation, today, the automation is the highest priority. Printers who after AI won't just survive, they will dominate. So be ready for this AI revolution, Industry 4.0 revolution in the industry. I asked you, I have a special gift for you. So there is a special book. I will personally courier you, Print Growth Chalisa. Here I shown 40 action points. This will help and it will be a gift from my side. So from Print Pathshala, so you can implement these action points, enjoy it, you can use it. Even though we will plan the another session for this AI bot, how it's working live, and we can experience it. This will change the dynamics. You can scan this QR code, you can say hi, you can ask me for unlock for growth plan for me, you can send me the details so we can help you. You can ask to Jacob sir also, you can ask to the Manoj sir also, anywhere. All are the coaches, all are the helpful people, and I am very blessed, thankful for them that they given the platform to me to return back to my community again, and it's more pleasureful for me that I can contribute more through Print Pathshala, through education, some AI tools, some innovations in industry. So this is from my side. Thank you so much, Manoj sir. Thank you so much, Jacob sir and Suresh sir. And thank you so much, AIFMP, to conducting these type of creative master classes. These are amazing things, and these can change the game. So now time is over. We can have some quick Q&A. We can discuss it. I am just going to stop this. If you want to scan this or you want to quick do that. Yes, sir.
No problem, Patidhar sir. Let the QR code be there on the screen for around a minute more,
Sure,
so that maybe some people would want to do that. Good, great. It was a wonderful presentation, Patidhar Saab, and we have a few questions that has come up during your presentation. The first one was as to how do you see AI transforming the role of traditional estimators in the next 5 to 10 years? In the
So
same
there,
length, there is an sir. Okay, please answer.
yeah. So there are two possibilities are there. One is if estimators adopt the tools, they are more fast and highly efficient people in the industry. Next, even from next 1 month to next 10 years, they will change their careers. They will grow very fast. Second, if they are not going to adopt the technologies, they will be replaced by the AI bots. Very simple.
Okay, good, wonderful. There's another question that has come up, which they're asking: what mindset shift is needed among print business owners to adopt AI effectively?
Yes, fantastic question. I always discuss about mindset and viewpoint actually. So we need to broaden our viewpoint to see the part of AI that we can bring in our processes, like the cost estimation one thing, scheduling a second thing, inventory management one thing. We need to open our viewpoint. We need to spray wide our viewpoint, and that mind shift is needed. Like need to see the market adopting the technology and adopting the advancement. So it's only needed shift is that open viewpoint we need to sit with the IT partners. Don't discuss as a vendor, just discuss the partner, take help from them.
Excellent. And another question is about the historical data required for an artificial intelligence to be incorporated in any software or hardware. How much historical data is typically required for an AI estimation tool to be accurate?
Perfectly said. So for this AI bot, nothing is required because of this work on like an engine. It is already created behind the scenes, and it is accurately working from last 15 years. Now, if we want to predictive analysis, if you want some analytical data analytics from the press environment, like which field I need to focus, which type of jobs I need to focus, what areas I need to focus. These are the predictive analysis where we need 3 to 5 years data at least. But for cost estimation or for standard algorithms, We need only that configuration and basic data that we are using in our diaries or Excel even. That can be configured, and generative AI just help on this to get right input to that engine.
Any question from you, Manoj bhai?
No, I already sent you
Yeah.
questions from my side. I think,
Okay.
Ian, that
Okay.
you
Okay.
already asked. Any question from audience?
Yes,
Any
yes. We
question?
have another one come up just now. So
Okay.
one of the question by the name of Abdul Hamid, he says, please advise one common mistake that companies make when adopting AI in cost estimation.
Beautiful. That this I expecting. So, Abdul, that common mistake we do mostly during the AI or any cost estimation software is that we are not qualifying the process engine of the system. We need to ask our partner that how it is working and the behind scene also with the technology, because choosing any AI tool or choosing any software, most of us do the mistake due to only price concerns. We are not checking that behind of the scenes also. So today it is very open market. Hardcore question should be there, boss. आपका इंजन कैसे काम करता, हाउ इट इज वर्किंग, शो मी ब्रॉडली. I want to be confident for the future also, not for today. Yes.
Yes, yes. There is yet another question, sir, which has come up. How can
Yes.
print business measure return on investment (ROI) from automation beyond just
Beautiful.
labor savings?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I created a sheet. You can WhatsApp me, but I just metaphorically I can say here. So whenever we use some data systems to collecting data from the that processes or the production floor, people efficiency, everything we are doing in the softwares, MIS or some AI tools or somewhere in ERP also, there are certain algorithms they can check that the my delivery time must be faster, how much faster it is there, uh, is increased or not. I am getting the cost estimation now. I am doing job clause analysis. Clause analysis is a beautiful thing where I estimated something, I planned something, and I produce something. The system can give the real result on your sheet or your MIS report that boss, I costed this carton 7 rupees, but while I producing the cost increased by 7.5. So I got the loss of 50 paisa in this job. During this analysis, we can identify a lot of ROI parameters where we are wasting our time, we are wasting our paper or material, where the customer is cheating us sometimes, where the price is not suiting us, but we are putting in wrong costing or decisions. So I have the sheet. Lot of parameters are there in this. But if you have the data, you can get the better ROI of the technologies very fast within a 2 months even. I did in a 1 month in a Noida. We have the case study we print. So they did. I given a smallest tool for the machine productivity measurement. They put some data for 1 month and they made decision. ये machine पुराना है, इस machine में रोज problem है, sell it and buy the new machine. And after 2 months, they bought a new machine. This is a fantastic decision they took on basis of only some charts that shown by the software, a very small application in production.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes.
There is one question again from one. This is from Reddy Garu, Dayakar Reddy. He's asking as to what is the percentage of printers using Indus in analytics as on date.
So we now reached 320 plus installations, and frankly, I speak 30, 20 to 30 to 35% are not using yet because they have the short of teams or some challenges are there. So we started team sharing also in Print Pathshala. We are training 20, 30 people in every 3 months and sending to the print industry to the run software and technologies. So these are the 30, 35 plus presses are not using still they bought, but we reached 325 presses today. They are using, some big clients are there, some small clients are there. Happily they are using the services and enjoying the cost estimation, data analytics, lot of things.
Another, now the questions have started to roll. One, Mr. Suhas Mulam, he is asking, does your automation platform help handle designs with automation?
No.
No.
So the design automation is separate part. There are certain AI tools that can do that. But in Indus, we are not touching that area because it's very deep. But CAD and design part, we are not touching. We are just guiding and helping on this part. Rest management part and costing analysis, we are doing very well.
Okay. He also asked, will you offer free upgrade of your software year after year?
So nothing is free in this world because to sustain some software, definitely you need to pay some subscriptions or something is there. So upgrade is there because of what happened, the technology, if the technology is migrating, definitely we need to invest something. If there is a same version, because Indus now coming with a single version and we are continuously improving that. So till that version, nothing upgrade is there, only the subscription will be there.
Mr. Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, Parmeshwarji, this like ESCO, they give you one demo model, and after you get apprised with that, yes, this is right baby for me, then you have to buy, So like that, you have initiated any demo models for estimation and costing or AI or something?
Yes, sir. So this bot actually will solve this question. We can plan in next 15, 20 days whenever we will be ready for this next class or something else. Even we can do another part for
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
So we
So
will.
better because everybody can't afford, So if they get acquainted with, they liked it, they will definitely go for your software. That's
Yes,
what.
yes.
Yeah.
So it will be very less in subscription also, but initially we will provide some free
No,
versions
demo
in that.
model, demo model.
Yes, demo
So
model.
it it
So they
it
can
will
experience, they can feel the
it's
gravity.
it's its life is only one use. That's all.
Yes. Yeah, definitely, sir. Even though we have 2, 3 free applications also. So I want to share with the AFMP also these 3 applications. One is machine productivity tool they can use very easily with the no subscription, even though.
So
So we
that
can plan something else a class where we can display these tools and give a small training online and share with benefits.
that's how we can create awareness, and
Yes.
people use artificial intelligence in estimation. I think that is going to be definitely better for you also in coming times.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Definitely.
Jacob, take over.
Yeah, yes. Thank you, Manoj bhai. Well, the questions that have been coming in has now stopped, and I think we will
Okay.
have to now. Yeah, yeah. Now we may probably. So palette load. This is a personal question. That's okay. Okay, you can go ahead with your closing remarks if you so like,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah, yeah.
Manoj.
Thank you, Parameshwarji. I heard you before 1 month at Calcutta, and so many new things this time. Definitely mind-boggling the way you are working and the way I think you are giving your time on this ERP system, selecting right tool, right coach, and whatnot. On behalf of All India Federation of Master Printers, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you being a part of today's insightful session on AI in print estimation and cost optimization. Very special thanks to Mr. Parmeshwar Patidar of Indus Analytics for his enlightening and comprehensive address. His presentation brilliantly covered all facets from the role of AI in cost prediction and estimation to the transformative impact of automation in the printing processes. It was truly an eye-opener, will certainly help us to rethink the way we approach the efficiency and profitability in print. Big thank you to Mr. Jacob George so ably moderating the session. His smooth handling of the proceedings ensured that the session stayed engaging and on point throughout. We are also deeply grateful to Mr. Amit Khurana and Team Technova for their generous sponsorship and continued support in making such knowledge-sharing events possible. Thanks, Mr. Khurana. You are definitely thanking for the printers, and we thank you a lot. Last but no means least, a sincere thanks to all participants. Your presence, attention, and thoughtful interaction added immense value to the discussion. Before we conclude, Jacob, can you share the screen of the next one?
Yeah, just a minute, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before we conclude, I am excited to announce the next masterclass session scheduled for 21st June at 4 p.m. The topic is Print Local, Export Global, Your Gateway to International Success, from press to port. We'll hear from Mr. Mihir Ajit Shah, a renowned export consultant from Mumbai, as he speaks Advantage India, riding the tariff wave to export success. It is Advantage India, Mr. Mihir Shah, indeed. You are right. It promises to be another power-packed session, so I encourage all of you to be registered today and be sharp at 4 p.m. on 21st June. Till then, thank you once again, and see you soon. I think, Jacob, can you share the creative if you have?
So there is some hiccup, sir, I think.
Okay, no worries. We can send on WhatsApp to
Yes,
all.
this information will be going to each and every participant in this seminar. The thank you mail will have the details.
Thank you,
for
Mr.
registration.
Parmeshwar Patidar, for your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your
Okay.
printers Chalisa also. I received one. Thank you.
Parmeshwarji, whatever inputs I get from the participants for Chalisa, I will forward it to you.
Sure,
And we thank each and everyone for the time dedicated, and hope that you are carrying something home for the betterment of
Jacob,
the
if
printing
you
industry.
share the participants today to Mr. Parmeshwar Patidar, he will send his printers Chalisa to each and every
I will
one.
certainly sir. I will
As a
certainly share.
gift.
Sir.
Is a real
Yeah,
gift.
sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks all of you. Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.